clients on weekly once, you can get it monthly once. And there are only benefits to the glutathione therapy. I'm sure if you're well known, you're more informed about what are the benefits of IV glutathione. So if you're considering getting a brighter and more glowing self, then make sure that you visit your esthetician or your cosmetologist at the earliest and get yourself your IV glutathione therapy.